Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to get a haircut, please.
Of course. Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't. Is that okay?
That's fine. We have time for you now.
Great, thank you.
Please have a seat. What would you like to have done today?
I'd like my hair cut a little shorter.
How much would you like me to cut?
About 5 centimeters, please.
No problem. Would you like me to trim your bangs too?
Yes, please. They're getting a little long.
Sure. Would you like me to wash your hair first?
Yes, that would be nice.
All right, your hair is clean. Let's start the haircut.
Okay,
How does this length look?
it looks good. Maybe just a little shorter, please.
Of course. How about now? Is this length fine on the side?
Perfect. I really like it.
Great. I will do the other side the same way.
Thank you.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, only a few buildings from here.
That is convenient.
Yes, I was happy to find your salon.
We are glad you came in.
The place is very nice and calm.
Thank you. We try to keep it friendly.
I can see that.
All right. I have almost finished now.
Oh, that was quick.
Yes. Would you like me to dry your hair?
Yes, please.
All done. Please look in the mirror. What do you think?
I love it. It looks fresh and neat.
I'm glad you like it.
How much is it?
The haircut and wash come to $25.
Can I pay by card?
Certainly.
Here you are.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment complete. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We hope to see you again soon.
I will. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to borrow a book, but I don't have a library card yet.
No problem. We can make one for you.
Great. Is it free?
Yes, the library card is completely free.
That's good to know.
I'll just need your ID and your home address.
Sure. Here's my ID.
Thank you. Now, please fill out this application form.
Okay, it'll just take a minute.
No problem. Take your time.
I'm finished. Here you go.
Thank you. Let me check. Everything looks good.
Great.
Here's your library card. It's ready to use right away.
Wonderful. Thank you.
You're welcome. What kind of book are you looking for today?
I'd like an easy English storybook.
We have a good selection on shelf A1.
Where is shelf A1?
It's the second bookshelf near the window.
Thanks. I'll have a look. I found this one. It's called The English Journey. Is it a good book?
Yes, it's one of our most popular books for English learners.
Really? That's great.
The story is short, the vocabulary is easy, and there are pictures too.
That sounds perfect. I'd like to borrow it.
Certainly. May I have your library card and the book, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Just a moment. All done.
Great. When do I need to return it?
It's due in 2 weeks.
Can I keep it longer if I need more time?
Yes, you can renew it online if no one else has reserved it.
That's very helpful.
The library website is printed on the back of your card.
Perfect. One more question. Is the library open on Sundays?
No, we're open Monday to Saturday only.
I see. Thank you for all your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your book.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to return this lamp, please.
I'm sorry to hear that. Is there a problem with it?
Yes. It doesn't turn on.
I see. Did you try a different light bulb?
Yes, I did. I also tried another power outlet, but it still doesn't work.
Thank you for checking. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you.
Let me take a look. You bought it 4 days ago.
That's right.
The lamp is still within our return period, so that's no problem.
That's good to hear.
Would you like a refund or an exchange?
I'd like to exchange it for another one, please.
Of course. We have the same model in black and white. Which color would you like?
I'll take the white one, please.
Certainly. I'll bring one from our stockroom. Here it is. Would you like to test it before you leave?
Yes, please.
I'll plug it in for you. The staff turns on the lamp. As you can see, it's working perfectly.
Great! I really like this one.
I'm glad to hear that. I'll also check that all the parts are in the box.
Thank you.
Everything is here. Since you're exchanging the same model, there's no extra charge.
Perfect.
Here's your new receipt. Please keep it in case you need any help later.
I will. Thank you for making the exchange so easy.
You're very welcome. We hope you enjoy your new lamp.
I'm sure I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to buy a train ticket, please.
Certainly. Where are you traveling today?
I'd like to go to Green City.
Is that a one-way ticket or a return ticket?
A return ticket, please.
When would you like to come back?
This evening, around 7 o'clock.
No problem. The return train leaves Green City at 7:15 p.m.
That sounds good.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Certainly. Let me check. Yes, we have one available.
Great!
The train leaves at 9:30 a.m. from Platform 4.
What time does it arrive in Green City?
It arrives at 10:45 a.m.
Perfect. Is the train usually on time?
Yes, it usually is. But please check the information board before you leave.
I will. Can I take this suitcase on the train?
Yes, that's fine. You can put it in the luggage area near your seat.
Good to know.
Your return ticket is $24.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Here you are.
Thank you. Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment approved. Here's your ticket and your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Don't forget to be at the platform about 10 minutes before departure.
I won't. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello. I'd like some medicine, please.
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
I have a bad headache today.
I'm sorry to hear that. When did it start?
It started this morning before work.
I see. Do you have a fever, too?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Are you taking any other medicine at the moment?
No, I'm not.
All right. Would you prefer tablets or syrup?
Tablets are better for me.
These headache tablets should help.
How often should I take them?
Take 1 tablet every 6 hours if you need it. Don't take more than 4 tablets in one day.
Should I take them with food?
Yes, that's a good idea. And remember to drink plenty of water.
Okay, I can do that.
Are you allergic to any medicine?
No, I'm not.
Good. Then these should be fine for you.
Do you have anything for stress, too?
If you've been feeling stressed, getting enough rest and drinking herbal tea may help.
Yes, I've been very busy lately.
Stress can sometimes cause headaches.
I think that's what's happening to me.
Have you been sleeping well?
Not very well this week.
Then try to get a good night's sleep tonight. Hopefully you'll feel better tomorrow.
I will. Do you think I need to see a doctor?
If your headache gets worse, lasts for several days, or you develop a fever, you should see a doctor.
Okay. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome.
How much are the tablets?
They're $6.
That's fine. I'll take them.
Anything else today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
All right. Please pay at the counter here.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Here you are.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment complete. Here's your receipt. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a restful evening.